Hello and thank you for watching. In this short video, I'm going to go over the notes and the fingering for an A-flat major scale. We will cover one octave and we will cover the hands separately, fingering first, and then we will put the hands together at the end of the video. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to find out which notes are in the A-flat major scale. And here's A-flat on the piano, middle black key. And if you look above at the solfège formula, you'll see Do will be A-flat. So Do to Re, whole step. We're skipping this white key right here. So A-flat to B-flat, Do to Re. Then Re to Mi, another whole step. So skipping this white key here, making a whole step. B-flat to C. Mi to Fa, half step, right next to each other. No skips. So C to D-flat is Mi to Fa. Fa to So, another whole step, skipping this white key in the middle here. Fa to So, D flat to E flat. So to La, another whole step, skipping this white key here. E flat to F. La to T, a white key whole step, F to G. And then T to Do, another half step. So this scale has 4 different black keys. The only black key we are not using is this one. So the notes will be A flat, B flat, C, D flat, E flat, F, G, A flat. So the way I like to lock in the fingering is using a technique called clumping. And that's where we're going to group the notes together before the thumb goes under or on the way down before the other fingers cross over. So it's going to look like this. The fingering, we're going to start actually with 3 and 4 for the fingering. So we'll start with Do on 3. And our first thing will be a clump. So 3, 4. Then thumb's going to cross under to C or Mi. Then clump 2 notes together, 2 and 3. Then thumb. And then we're going to end with 2 and 3. A little bit weird. Cross with 3. Clump 3, 4. I'm crossing with 3 and 4 so you get used to the angle of the hand in case you're playing more than one scale. You could at the beginning do 2 and 3. Either one is okay actually. But for the sake of this video, we'll do 3 and 4. One more time. 2, 3, thumb, 3, 2. Cross with 3, cross with 4. Now one at a time, here we go. Thumb under, thumb under, cross with 3, cross with 4. The fingering for the left hand is a little more straightforward than the right hand. It doesn't feel so chopped up. The main thing to remember for the left hand is that, like in many of the scales that start with black keys, our first crossover is going to be with finger 4. We're very used to crossing with finger 3, the 5+3 fingering, but in this case it's going to cross with 4 first. So we're going to clump it 3 and 2, then thumb alone, then we'll clump 4, 3, 2, and I'm going to have you cross with 3 at the top in this one. 2, 3, 4, thumb, 2, 3. Let's do that one more time. 3, 2, 4, 3, 2, cross with 3. 2, 3, 4, thumb, 2, 3. One at a time. Cross with 4. Cross with 3. Back down. Cross under 4. Now hands together in this, we're going to do hands together with short long rhythm so we can build into our muscle memory what comes next, who's crossing over, who's crossing under, and with which finger. So left hand Do is A flat starting with finger 3. Right hand Do also starting on finger 3. And thumbs are going to cross together here or occur together the first cross under. So let's get started. Right hand thumb under. Left hand crossing with 4. What's next? Right hand's going to cross under 3. what's next? Left hand's going to cross over with 3. Back down. Left hand under. Right hand crossing with 3. Left hand under 4. Right hand over with 4. Let's do that one at a time. Thumb under, over with 4. Thumb under, finger 3. Cross with 3, left hand. Back down. Thumb under, left hand. Cross with 3, right hand. Cross under 4, left hand. Over with 4, right hand. Thank you for watching this short video on the notes and the fingering for an A-flat major scale. We covered 1 octave, we covered hands separately and hands together. I hope you found it helpful, and I hope you will subscribe to my channel for more videos on piano technique and music theory. Thanks again for watching.